innovation, and sustained by quality, we have grown into a well-recognized LED enterprise both in China and abroad. After 18 years of steady development, Hanhua has established subsidiaries and factories in Shenzhen, Zhongshan, and Nanchang, Jiangxi. With over 20,000 square meters of factory space and advanced fully automated dust-free workshops, we ensure efficiency and precision in every step of production. Innovation is the soul of Hanhua. We have built a strong R&D team and engaged renowned experts from home and abroad as consultants. With leading laboratories in China and close cooperation with universities, we continuously break industry barriers, launching LED products that set new trends. Our portfolio covers LED packaging, nail art series, therapy lamps, plant growth lights, and UV lamps. From professional nail care to health therapy, from green agriculture to eco-friendly lighting, Hanhua delivers comprehensive solutions to meet diverse customer needs. Hanhua holds dozens of national patents and has been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise for 12 consecutive years. All products comply with global standards, certified by ISO 9001 and ISO 14000, and accredited with CE, EMC, LVD, FCC, ROHS, and EN 62471 certifications. With outstanding quality and reliable service, Hanhua's products are sold in more than 70 countries and regions, covering North America, Europe, Oceania, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Japan, and South Korea, earning worldwide trust. Guided by customer needs and committed to quality, Hanhua believes that customer satisfaction is our eternal goal. We will continue to deliver superior products and services, working hand in hand with global partners to light up the world and shine into the future. Shenzhen Hanhua Optoelectronics, lighting up the world, shining into the future.